So beginning from the upper level, I believe that was already set it up, but also now it's more or less connected everything, also with the toilet. I finished the LED part and also gave a little bit of silicone in here, also in there, and yeah, mostly connected everything. Also here that it will shine down like a nice part. These are still not finished, but it's a different story. I'll keep you informed in the next YouTube video. Also, I had those gaps in between. I don't like the aluminium part which you are putting inside here, so I'll try it with acrylate. Like it looks like this now. Kinda something on my own. We will see how good it is. And yeah, most of the floors are done. The stairs have been installed, which is awesome. So I don't have to climb with a ladder. Yeah, those gaps have been done. I mostly finished all the electricity and everything what wasn't still connected and so on. I've more or less finished because we want to move next week. So yeah, I'm not sure. I've cut it. If I told you, I've cut out these parts and also connected everything because I have the transformators for the electricity in the shower part needs to be separated for security reasons and other electrical part. Because I didn't know how or what I wanted to have, I excluded it here so I can still work on that and yeah, have it like that. This room here is will be used as a archive, or not archive. Yeah, we've got many boxes, and first we'll set it up then here and also in the lower part. I'll show you. This because we have not bought all the stuff we wanted, and also we do not want to rush ourselves. Because in my opinion, when you rush yourself the whole time, you are buying some things just because the fact of buying it, instead of you really want it or consider it that this is the furniture you really want. That's why we will start with a little bit less than maybe others, but it's still okay. It's kind of an interesting journey. I switched like this here. Here I'll still need to tidy up a little bit, but those boxes will be stacked here and here everywhere. And yeah, then also this part. Yeah, what's not nice is this thing here. It's not working exactly because the workers connected something wrong. So we will see how they will fix that. Worst part would be that we need to get everything off. Best part would be we will find a workaround solution, but we will see. Yeah, then the floors finished, the gaps filled mostly, and kind of looks pretty nice on everywhere those gaps. And also the climatization works now, but because it's, you see that here, I'll take some paint and paint a little bit around that, and and tomorrow or the next week on Monday the kitchen will be installed. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'm pretty excited about that. I also, for all the rooms, I've ordered the switches, so I'll be installing that ASAP. And also the washing machine is essential. So what I'm doing right now is this part here, so that because the washing machine will be stored there, and because everything here is dusty and not the cleanest because of the ceiling, I'll paint the ceiling and have it a little bit more clean in here, and then after a while I'll paint the rest. And yeah, that's most part of it. Also, at last we've got warm water now, so I can use everything now with warm water. That's awesome. Yeah, and that's mostly it. Thanks, everyone.